Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Hey, today I'm excited to share this watch with you. It is the Modern Made Man Belfort edition, and this brand is a fairly new brand established in 2016, and they have a wide array of high quality products. If you check out their website, I'll leave a link below. Nice, very high quality products, and this watch here is definitely no exception. It was inspired by architectural design, and this is a really awesome, high quality fashion watch. I love a lot of the features it's added to it. Some nice dive watch features, I would say, and it's basically a anywhere watch. I mean, you can wear this watch wherever you'd like, and you'll know that by some of the specs I'm going to give you in a bit. It does come with this really cool case, and nice protective case you can keep your watch in. It has some instruction manual, little eggshell protective layer on top there. Keep your case, watch in that case. Very nice little case. We'll set that aside and get into this watch right now, but first I have to leave my dog outside. He was ringing the bells. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but this is a tour watch. It's going to be going on a tour, and I'll leave links to the channels below in the description. Please be sure to check those guys out. They always bring something very cool and different in each review. Yeah, this case, this is a 316L stainless steel case, very solid construction with a black bezel and brushed sides with some polished beveled edges. If you can see those there. Very attractive, very eye-catching. Just an overall great looking watch. I like the black layered dial, if you can see that in this light. It has this really cool textured strip, the width of the applied 5-minute markers the whole way around. I just think that looks really nice and adds to this watch in my opinion. Has a sapphire crystal with AR coating. And let's see what else we got here. We have the Modern Made Man logo right below the 12 o'clock position. Nice window, date window at the 3 o'clock position, and Belfort right above the 6 o'clock position. So very nice looking dial indeed. This watch comes with some really nice lume, and I'm gonna put a lume shot up for you there. Very well done, very strong. I'm not 100% sure what kind of lume it is, but it is very good in my opinion. This watch does come with a see-through case back, and I took the NATO apart here just so I could get it off really easy and show you. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, that is where you get to see the Miyota 90-15 caliber movement. Very accurate movement. 40-hour power reserve, and yes guys, it is hacking and hand windable, so that is a major plus. This watch comes in many different dial variations, so please be sure to check out their website. A lot of cool different variations. They also have many bands to choose from. This is a basic NATO band they put on this watch for the tour, and I think they even had a titanium model which is sold out. I will leave a link to their website in the description below. So here are some of the features where I think it becomes very interesting, this watch. You got the dress appeal, the classy look to it, but you have a 42 millimeter case, a 12.4 millimeter thickness, 50 millimeter lug to lug, or lug tip to lug tip this way, and a 22 millimeter bandwidth. Very nice, but it gets better. You have the hex designed screw down crown, which is a major plus, with the Modern Made Man logo on there, if you can see that. Very nice and well done. So you got the screw down crown, hex design, and 200-meter water resistant. So major plus with this nice fashion watch. I really like those features they added to this. I love the screw down crown. I love the 200-meter water resistance rating in just this stylish watch, coupled with a 10-year warranty, and I think it has a 10-year warranty on the case and construction, and a 1-year warranty on the movement. You got to check their website. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it is also assembled right here in the USA, which makes this watch really cool, and I'll be keeping my eye on this one for sure. Hey, let's get a wrist shot of this guy, and you can check this out on my 7.25-inch wrist and see how you like it and what you think about it. All right, guys, there it is on a 7.25-inch wrist. Very nice looking watch. Get that in focus for you there. Very nice looking watch. It looks awesome on this NATO. And be sure to check out the website if you like this watch. I mean, all the different bands they have that come with it are just really stunning combinations for sure. Hey, that's my short look at the Modern Made Man, the Belfort edition. Check them out. And if you like this vid, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope you're having a great day and stay well.